The year 2025 marked a turning point in digital technology. Artificial intelligence became mainstream, smartphones evolved beyond imagination, and computing power reached new heights. The innovations we witnessed this year didn't just improve our gadgets, they fundamentally reshaped our world. In this video, we'll break down the most important digital technology developments of 2025 from AI and smartphones to cybersecurity, space tech, and the future of work. So, grab a seat and get ready for a deep dive into the year that changed everything. Let's begin. In 2025, artificial intelligence stopped being a buzzword and became an essential daily tool. Generative AI, which once felt like a novelty, was suddenly everywhere, powering content creation, streamlining complex coding tasks, and even automating video editing. It transformed education with personalized learning paths and revolutionized customer service with intelligent, responsive bots. AI assistants on our devices became smarter, more human-like, and capable of real-time decision-making, anticipating our needs before we even voiced them. This explosion was fueled by powerful new AI chips from companies like NVIDIA, Google, Amazon, and AMD. Their innovations drove massive growth in both cloud AI data centers and compact edge AI devices. From diagnosing diseases in hospitals to optimizing crop yields in agriculture, AI became a core digital infrastructure. It was no longer just software, it became the very foundation of modern systems, quietly working behind the scenes to make our world more efficient and intelligent. Smartphones in 2025 evolved far beyond simple communication tools, becoming true extensions of our digital lives. The market was buzzing with exciting new form factors. We saw foldable, rollable, and even transparent phone concepts gaining serious attention, moving from futuristic prototypes to consumer-ready devices. Camera systems took a giant leap, with multi-lens arrays and advanced sensors that rivaled professional equipment. iPhotography was the real game-changer, using computational magic to redefine mobile imaging with features like real-time object removal and perfect low-light shots. Brands like Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, Google, and Honor were in a fierce race, pushing performance to the limits with AI-optimized processors. Satellite connectivity became a standard safety feature, and ultra-fast charging meant our devices were always ready to go. Ultimately, phones solidified their role as personal AI hubs, effortlessly managing our tasks, monitoring our health data, boosting our productivity, and controlling every aspect of our smart homes. The year 2025 also redefined the very landscape of computing hardware. GPUs, or graphics processing units, became the most valuable computing assets on the planet. No longer just for gaming, they became the engines powering colossal AI models, complex scientific simulations, and immersive digital worlds. We saw a surge in compact yet powerful devices, as AI PCs and even keyboards with fully integrated computers gained surprising popularity, offering incredible performance in minimalist designs. While cloud computing continued its massive expansion, a parallel trend emerged: edge computing. This brought processing power closer to the users, right inside our devices, which significantly improved speed, enhanced privacy by keeping data local, and increased overall efficiency. More than ever before, the line between consumer and enterprise hardware became thinner as professional-grade power became accessible to everyone, changing how we create, work, and play. As our digital systems expanded at an unprecedented rate, cybersecurity rightfully became a top global priority. In 2025, we witnessed a new kind of arms race. AI-powered cyberattacks grew more sophisticated, using intelligent algorithms to find and exploit vulnerabilities. But the good news is, our defenses evolved just as quickly. AI-driven defense systems became our frontline guardians, capable of detecting and neutralizing threats in real time, often before a human analyst even knew something was wrong. Governments and corporations invested heavily in new data protection frameworks, making end-to-end encryption and zero-trust security models the new standard. The concept of digital identity also matured, with biometric authentication like facial recognition and fingerprint scanning becoming more secure and widespread. Decentralized security solutions, built on blockchain principles, gained significant momentum, promising a future where users have more control over their own data. Privacy was no longer an optional setting, it became a core, non-negotiable requirement for any digital service. The Internet of Things, or IoT, reached a new scale of maturity and integration in 2025. Smart cities became less of a futuristic concept and more of a practical reality. All across the globe, cities deployed networks of connected sensors for smarter traffic control, dynamically adjusting signal times to ease congestion. They used IoT for intelligent energy management, optimizing power grids to reduce waste and prevent blackouts, and enhanced public safety with real-time monitoring systems. Our homes also became significantly more intelligent, energy efficient, and automated. Thermostats learned our schedules, lighting adjusted to our moods, and appliances ordered their own supplies. The real magic happened when AI and IoT combined, creating truly responsive environments. These were systems that didn't just follow commands, but could anticipate and adapt automatically to human needs, making our daily lives smoother and more seamless than ever before. Work and education also underwent a major digital shift in 2025, leaving old models behind for good. Remote and hybrid work became permanent, accepted models for a huge portion of the global workforce, supported by a new generation of collaboration tools. AI assistants became indispensable, taking notes in meetings, summarizing long documents, and providing data-driven insights to help with decision-making. Education moved far beyond the four walls of a traditional classroom. We saw the widespread adoption of virtual labs, where students could conduct complex experiments in a safe, simulated environment. AI tutors provided personalized, one-on-one instruction to students anytime, anywhere. Immersive learning platforms using augmented and virtual reality made subjects like history and science come alive. In this new landscape, digital skills were no longer optional or specialized, they became essential for nearly every job, fundamentally reshaping what it means to be prepared for the modern workforce. The technological progress of 2025 wasn't confined to Earth. Our ambitions reached for the stars, and we saw incredible progress in space technology and robotics. Satellite internet constellations continued to expand, bringing reliable, high-speed connectivity to the most remote corners of the globe and closing the digital divide. Down on the ground, robotics advanced in leaps and bounds. In healthcare, surgical robots performed procedures with superhuman precision. In manufacturing, automated systems built everything from cars to microchips with incredible efficiency. And in logistics, fleets of autonomous robots managed warehouse operations and last-mile deliveries. The key driver behind this was AI. AI-powered robots became more autonomous, collaborative, and capable of navigating complex, real-world environments. The future of technology felt like it was accelerating, moving faster than ever before. The year 2025 proved that digital technology is no longer about some distant future, it's about the here and now. Smart devices, robust cybersecurity, and connected digital infrastructure have profoundly reshaped how we live, work, and connect with one another. These weren't just incremental updates, they were foundational shifts that have set the stage for the next decade of innovation. If this incredible pace of change continues, the coming years will not just alter our tools, but redefine humanity itself. Thanks for watching. If you found this recap insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more tech insights. See you next time.